Sister, today Stellar Spectrum third year celebrating into Holy Cross Bastara High School. What do you want to say regarding it?
I want to say that I'm just delighted to see the program evolving to, to tell the world Stellar, the journey of Stellar, a skill spectrum program started in the year 2023 with a belief and a dream, that every child has a spark to learn skill at that young age in the school itself, which can see them as great entrepreneurs in future. I'm so glad that Stella started with our students. It moved on to the neighboring schools, and now it's open this year in the year 2025-2026. We have opened it for our own parents of our school students, and it's beautifully growing. And the energy level that is found at Holy Cross is abounding with great joy, and it's multiplying, I would say, because it's the PTA, our PTA representatives who support us generously, and they are driving this vision forward. We have so many volunteers who come forward to teach the skills who are really professionals, and there are some of our ex-students. Today we were honored to have our own ex-student, Mr. Devendra Andrekar, Deputy Director of Accounts of Jilla Panchayat, in the campus as a chief guest, who himself is an inspiration for all. And I would say the volunteers who come as professionals here to give their services, willingly give their services to our students. Our students enjoy learning with them. It's
Today, what
beautiful.
are the activities being taken over here?
The activities that we see happening today here is bamboo weaving, cycle repairs which children love, then fine arts, face painting, basic tailoring, then sari draping, basic bakery skills, hairdressing. This, there was lots more, masala making, and more. I would say almost altogether 12 skills that our children have learned today, along with their parents.
So the children, students, and the parents are inclusively learning all this.
Yes, that is
Uh,
wonderful
yes.
to see them learning together.
So what is the outcome of it?
I feel each one is empowered and each one discovers the best that is within them. Thank you.
Hi, I am Devendra Allekar, alumni of Holy Cross High School, Bastara. I passed out my SSC in 1990. Today I was called as a chief guest for the function Stellar, a skill spectrum 2.0. It was great and wonderful that the school received me as a chief guest today. Today I have seen that the school of Holy Cross, which is my school, is taking up so many functions along with their academic studies. I think it is a good and initiative thing that the students can go along with their studies. So as a time pass, or may they may carry the same as their future endorsement plan. So today I want to thank the headmistress of the school, Sister Wendy, and all the staff, teaching and non-teaching staff, for giving me such an honor to be the chief guest of this today's function. Today I noticed that after 35 years I went to school again and exactly visited the school. I seen there are lots of changes in the school. It has become very good and beautiful. Some good activities are going on there along with the academic studies. That is very good and wonderful. I enjoyed being the chief guest today's function, and I once again thanks the school management, the PTA committee, and all the staff of Holy Cross High School. And I wish all the best to the students of the Holy Cross High School for the future, and also congratulate the school for doing such a wonderful functions. Thank you.
What do you want to say with this knowledge?
In future we can start our own business part-time job. We can be
Yes.
independent.
So you can earn through this by
We
starting
can
a
earn
business.
through this in future. If we cannot get job, with this skill we can learn.
Okay.
So this over here, no? All this was done in your time, no?
In the cycle, take care of the cycle. How many of you clean the chain, the cassette, the crankset? How many of you do that? You do? What do you use? Oil. With oil you don't clean. Oil and clean na. Diesel or kerosene or petrol. Now here we have, this is diesel, not Sprite. Okay? It's in a Sprite bottle, and this is petrol. This is kept for quite a long time, so it's lost its color. So if you use petrol, what happens? It gets evaporated fast, right? But diesel will remain quite a long time. You can clean it up. Once you clean thoroughly with diesel, then after you can use petrol to clean it up, and then after you have to use even water and soap, some detergent and all, or some liquid to clean it up. Thorough, no oil should be on there. When diesel remain on plastic parts, no, or rubber parts, the rubber parts get spoiled. You have noticed that?
Yes.
So you should not allow too much of diesel staying there somewhere on plastic or on rubber. Then it will spoil the rubber. So you have to clean it up. Okay? So, okay. Now, when you want to clean the cycle, do your cycle have a quick link?
तुझं मीस हेड
तुमचे नाव सांगा.
माझे नाव कल्पना जगदीश शेट्टेकर.
आयज आमी पळयता की होली क्रॉस बस्तोरा स्कुलान एक स्टेला जे स्पेक्ट्रम एक प्रोग्राम जो आसा तो आयज घडोवन हाडला आनी आयज तुमी रंगोळी जी आसा ही घालप शिकोवंक हांगासर येयल्ली आसा. कितें सांगूंक सोदता त्या बद्दल?
आयज आमी अशें रांगोळीचे हे घेतला न्हू, तिच्यान आमकां खूब शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें, भुरग्यांकय शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें आनी म्हाकाय शिकोवंक हांव पिटे म्हटल्यार म्हाका हांव सुद्दां घालता, बेजीक घालता, म्हाका अशी कळना. म्हटल्यार आयज हांव शिकलें कशें शेड्स ह्या करता, म्हणजे शेड्स कशे घालपाचे आनी कशी रांगोळी मिक्स करपाची, कसले तरेचे पोर्ट्रेट रांगोळी कसले कलर म्हणजे कसली रांगोळी जाय ते बी म्हाका कळ्ळें आनी कशें मिक्स डार्क शेड लायट शेड कसो हे करपाचो करपाचो ते कळ्ळें. तर भुरग्यांकय मातशें कितें ह्या भुरग्यांकय खूब नॉलेज मेळ्ळें, भुरग्यांनी अशें इंट्रस्ट जावन हें केलें, म्हणजे एन्जॉय केलें.
सो तुमकां स्वता हांगासर रांगोळी घालपाक मेळ्ळी,
हय,
शिकले तुमी स्वता.
शिकले आमी.
सो भुरगीं ऑलमोस्ट कितली आशिल्ली?
18 भुरगीं आसलीं, 18-20 आसलीं.
Student, what's your name? Yeah, today there's a art workshop, and what you learned today?
I learned a lot. It is an amazing experience, and I learned how to handle balloons for the first time. I've never handled like this type of balloon.
What was taught?
Sorry.
What was taught today?
We were taught to make different sculptures. We started with the dog, and now we're trying to do a hand.
So with the help of balloon?
Yes, everything with the balloons.
Yes, everything with the balloon.
Yes.
So why do you think this is important to learn?
I think we can help in different types of decorations instead of spending a lot on outside decorators and stuff. We can do decorations at home and we can help around with the family functions and all.
So it is resourceable.
Yes.
Your good name,
My
ma'am?
name is Melanie Rodriguez and I have taken a workshop today on balloon sculpting, wherein the students are getting a chance to put their hands on how to sculpt different sculptures, basically an animal, a cat, and different things that they can make. Basically this is being done at purely entertainment purpose for parties, get-togethers, and it's really a beautiful art, very colorful. Children love it and they really enjoy it.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.